A very good evening to you. Thank you for watching Prime Edition. Time to get the latest in the world of business. My name is Betty Kiptum. Now, the cost of LPG gas could drop by 80% if various interventions promised by the government are implemented. President William Ruto has said the government will abolish taxes on the commodity, which takes up almost 60% of the unit cost. Ruto has also directed the Ministry of Energy to engage with oil dealers to come up with a proposal on how to cut the cost of the 6 kg gas cylinder from 1,300 to 500 shillings in the next month.
Despite various policy and legal interventions to drive up the use of liquefied petroleum gas (LPG), the numbers have stagnated in the last year, pushing policymakers back to the drawing board. Last year, high fuel prices saw the consumption of LPG gas, which is used by about 24% of Kenyan households, drop by 35%, according to data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. According to KNBS, Kenyans bought 123,150 tons of cooking gas in the 6 months to June 2022, down from 188,850 tons purchased in 2021. Energy experts are warning these numbers could drop further if LPG prices are not regulated. Today, President William Ruto has directed the Ministry of Energy and Oil Marketers to come up with a plan that will lower the cost of a 6 kg gas cylinder from a high of 1,300 shillings to 500 shillings.
Mwezi wa sita, sasa tutapanga mpango ya kuhakikisha kwamba kina mama wanatumia clean energy. Na ili tupunguze gharama ya gas, tumesema tunaondoa ushuru. Namba 2, ile mtungi mnanunua kuanzia mwezi wa sita, hiyo mtungi itatoka shilingi 2,800 mpaka shilingi 500 ama 300.
The president has said the cost of the commodity will be addressed through legal and policy interventions. In January this year, the price of LPG went up by 30%, making it beyond the reach of most Kenyans who turned to kerosene and charcoal as an alternative.
Na hiyo kuni na makaa iko na matatizo ya kiafya. Kwa hiyo 70% ambayo tunatumia kuni na makaa, wale wapishi wengi, wale wanatusaidia kupika chakula katika taifa letu la Kenya ni 99% women. Kwa hivyo hiyo magonjwa, hiyo matatizo inawafikia kina mama.
Speaking during the relaunch of the Women Enterprise Fund, President Ruto has announced that once the issue are fully addressed, the cost of a 6 kg gas cylinder will cost between 500 shillings and 300 shillings in the next 4 months. This comes barely a week after the president launched the construction of a 30,000 metric tons Taifa gas plant in Mombasa County. The president has also warned illegal gas refillers that their days are numbered, vowing to rid the LPG sector of cartels.
I want to tell all the characters involved in illegal filling of gas cylinders that are posing a threat to users of gas cylinders that your days are numbered. Kwa sababu hawa illegal refillers, they must get out of the market.